Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. My name is Muhammad Nurazain bin Kamaruddin, and in this video, our group is going to present a case study on linkage system. So, what is a linkage? A linkage is a mechanical device consisting of rigid bodies called links that are connected by joints. The functions of linkage is to produce rotating, oscillating, or reciprocating motion from the rotation of a crank or vice versa. One of the simplest linkage is the lever, which is a link that vibrates around a fulcrum which is attached to the ground or a fixed point. These are some examples of a linkage system. The first example is a windshield wiper, the second is a bicycle suspension, and the last example is a hydraulic actuator for heavy equipment. In this case study, our objectives are to identify the components of a 4-bar linkage, to determine the angular acceleration of the couple link and side link, and finally to understand the important concepts in linkage systems. Next, I will pass to the next presenter, Abdul Muazzam.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Abdul Muazzam bin Mitra. My metric number is FA20023. Okay, now we are going to the problem statement for our project. Problem statement. Have you ever thought that how the movement of our legs and knees move your bicycles? Usually the bicycle pedal are connected together by a free crank, which means that the pedal actuated both sides of the bicycle always rotate at the same speed. This pedal is driven by the force of our leg exerted by the pedal strip of the bicycle. So, how does this linkage mechanism work theoretically? Okay, now we are going to a design property for our project. In our design, we use a bicycle linkage system that uses two joints as a pedal movement and knee movement to operate. And we also use two fixed joints, one as a bicycle crank and the other for a bicycle seat or our seat. In this design, the movement of knee in joint B will move the movement of the foot or pedal in joint D. Effectively, the movement of the knee in joint B and the movement of the foot or pedal in joint D will move simultaneously. Okay, now we are going to a data analysis and the calculation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Abdul Hamid, and my metric number is MH20018. So for today, I will show the steps to create our design that our group chose. So without further ado, let's start the task. Okay, for the first point, we will take new point. So we just simply put anywhere, and then we click on new origin to make it to 0. So as you can see, when we click modify entity, as you can see, all of the coordinate is start to become 0. So this is the origin, our new origin. So we can continue with next point. We click new point, and then that's the first point. And for second point, we put the x is 0, and for y-axis we put 0.2. Sorry, so for the x we put 0.2. So click, and you can see the new point has appeared on its coordinate that we already chose. So for our third new point, we simply put for x-axis is 0.16 meter, and then for the y-axis we put 0. So that's our third new point. And then for our last point, we put 0.22 meter for the x-axis. Simply we just based on the picture in our question in tutorial 2. So when you calculate it, you make a calculation. So the total is 0.22 meter. So the x is 0.22 meter, and for the y is 0.12 meter. So there it goes. And then for the next step, we just click on chain of bars. Click the new point that we already create. So there it goes. And then for the next step, we just simply click on revolute join. We click on every single joint that we already have. So it's done. The design is actually simple. So for the next step, we just simply put on geometry to kinetics. So for this part, you can see you can choose automatic motion. So the blue line is actually the track of the joint movement. So as you can see the movement right now. So for the next step, you can click on, if you want to see the velocity, it appears on the red color of arrow. And for the acceleration, there's a blue arrow. So that's the acceleration. So and it shows the changes of acceleration and velocity of the joint. So after that, if you want to see the bars graph of position, velocity, and acceleration, you just simply click on control motion and then click on absolute rotation actuator. So the bar will become blue. So just click it and you can see these are the graph for position. Second one is velocity and the third one is acceleration. So this is the movement and the changes of position in graph. So the movement is quite fast. So you can change the steps on actuator. You can change it to 600 steps to make it slow. So you can see this is the movement. You can watch it closely with detail, the movement of the joint and also the movement on the graph itself. Then if you click on turn, the graph change. The position change, the velocity also change. So, and the track of the joint also become smaller. So as you can see, the movement, it will become like this. Okay, I think that's all for the explanation on this video for designing on GIMP software. So thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq Hakimi bin Karunawa, metric number MH20017. I will explain about the calculation. This is the calculation of linkage system. Tangent beta equal to 60/120. Beta equals to 26.565 degree. And length of DE 120 over cos beta equals to 134.164 millimeter. For the velocity analysis, omega AB equals to 4 radius per second clockwise. For velocity B, length of AB times omega AB equals to 800 mm per second to the left. Point C is the instantaneous center of bar BD. For length of BC, BD over tangent B equals to 320 mm. Next, length of CD equals to BC over cos beta equals to 357.77 mm. For omega BD equals to VB over BC. VB is 800 and BC is 320, and the answer is 2.5 radius per second anti-clockwise. Okay, for the velocity of D, CD times omega BD equals to 894.425 mm per second. And omega DE equals to VD per DE. VD is 894.425. DE is 134.164. The answer is 6.6667 radius per second clockwise. Acceleration analysis. Acceleration B, the answer is 3200 mm per second upward. For acceleration D over B, the answer is this. And this is the answer of AD, acceleration D. And the positive to the right, 134.164 ADE cos B plus 5961.5 sin B equals to 0 minus 1000. And acceleration DE equals to negative 30.55 radius per second. The positive to the up, negative 134.164 times negative 30.55 times sin beta plus 5961.5 cos beta equals to 3200 plus 160 alpha BD. And the answer of acceleration of BD is 24.8 radius per second squared anti-clockwise. And the answer of acceleration DE equals to 30.6 radius per second squared clockwise.